The Wise Old Man and the Greedy Merchant. In a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a wise old man known for his wisdom and kindness. People from near and far would come to him for advice, and he always welcomed them with a smile. One day, a wealthy merchant from a neighboring town arrived at the old man's house. The merchant was known for his greed, always wanting more wealth and power. He said to the old man, "I have heard of your wisdom and seek your advice. I have grown rich, but I am never satisfied. Tell me how I can gain more wealth than anyone else." The old man smiled gently and replied, "I will give you a task. Take this sack and fill it with as much sand from the riverbank as you can. But there is a condition. You must return before the sun sets, or all the sand will turn to dust." Eager to get more wealth, the merchant hurried to the riverbank with the sack. He began filling it with sand, but as he did, he thought to himself, "The more sand I collect, the more wealth I will gain." So, he kept adding more and more sand, ignoring the passage of time. The sun began to lower in the sky, but the merchant paid no attention. "Just a little more," he thought. "I can carry it all." Finally, as the sun touched the horizon, the merchant realized the time and rushed back to the old man. But before he could reach him, the last ray of sunlight vanished, and the sack he had filled so greedily turned into dust. The old man shook his head sadly and said, "In your greed, you lost everything. Had you taken only what you needed and returned in time, you would have gained much. But those who are never satisfied with what they have lose even what they possess." The merchant, humbled by the lesson, realized his mistake and thanked the old man for his wisdom. From that day forward, he learned to be content with what he had, understanding that true wealth is found in gratitude and balance, not in endless greed. Moral: greed often leads to loss, while contentment brings true happiness and peace.